Hello everyone! In this video, I will share 5 powerful tips to help you get Band 7 in IELTS Writing. Let's begin. Tip 1. Fully answer the question. Many students lose marks because they do not answer all parts of the question. In Task 2, make sure you address every part of the question and clearly present your opinion. Support your ideas with clear explanations and relevant examples. In Task 1, always include a clear overview of the main trends. Stay focused and write only what is relevant. Now, Tip 2. Use clear paragraph structure. Your essay must be well organized. Start with an introduction, then write 2 clear body paragraphs. Finish with a strong conclusion. Use linking words naturally, such as however, in addition, and on the other hand. Do not overuse connectors. Next, Tip 4. Use complex sentences. You need a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. For example, although many people prefer online shopping, traditional stores remain popular. Remember, accuracy is more important than complexity. Do not make grammar mistakes while trying to sound advanced. Finally, Tip 5. Manage time and check errors. Spend about 20 minutes on Task 1. Spend about 40 minutes on Task 2. Always keep the last 3 to 5 minutes to check your work. Check grammar, verb tense, spelling, and punctuation carefully. If you follow these 5 tips and practice regularly, you can confidently achieve Band 7 in IELTS Writing. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and believe in yourself.